Nag-start na ng decor. Sige.
Hi there.
Hello, Ate Ellie. Are you helping Tito Glenn?
Yeah.
Whose birthday?
You still.
What's your wish for me?
Well, I bet I want you to wish for
For what?
like
Ah?
raining money.
Oh, wow! I will claim it. A raining money?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
As well as mommy gonna have her wish.
Ah, yeah. I like it, Ate Te.
Like
A raining money.
Yeah, and rain money and raining money and a money rainbow.
Oh, money rainbow.
Yeah, I will be picturing for that.
I
If
like
could
it.
be an
Thank you so much,
example.
Ate.
Yeah, I want you to wish for that and you blew a candle.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
Welcome.
Glenn. Sa pag-decor-decor dyan.
Just gonna have some. You can say deck feed your decor book.
Say, okay, what you're going to say to the, to your channel. Okay, don't forget to.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes.
Hit the bell button. Ding, ding, ding.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.